Look at the sky now. It's a perfect cloudy sky with soft, fluffy clouds.
And it's not completely gray. It's just an overcast day, which makes it great for a cozy afternoon.
I like partly cloudy days too. A mix of clouds and sunshine is perfect.
Oh, I think it might rain later. That would be nice. A peaceful rainy day is great for reading a book.
Yes, and if it's just a drizzle, we can still go for a walk outside.
Or maybe we'll get scattered showers, a little rain here and there.
I love the sound of torrential rain when I'm inside. It's so relaxing.
And sometimes, after the rain, we get a hailstorm. The little ice balls bouncing on the ground look so cool.
And the best part is that, at least after the rain, we sometimes get a rainbow. That's always nice to see.
Yes, but sometimes storms are more intense. Last month we had a big storm with thunder and lightning. It was so loud.
Do you remember that lightning strike near the park? It hit a tree, and we could hear the sound from far away. Do you know what? I just want a sunny day. I miss the sun.
Me too. A little warmth would be nice. Maybe tomorrow we'll get a clear sky and bright sunshine. That would be amazing.
Yes, I love sunny days. They make everything better.
And warm days are wonderful too. Last summer, we had a heat wave, and it was perfect for going to the beach.
And warm weather is great for nature. Even when there's a drought, the sunsets look incredible.
That's true. And when the warm season ends, the air gets drier. I like when we have dry weather. It feels fresh and crisp.
But I also love windy weather. It's so refreshing when the wind blows through the trees.
And a breezy day is perfect for just sitting outside.
Yes. And with haze, everything looked so soft and dreamy.
And when we had foggy weather, it felt mysterious, like in a movie.
Sometimes when it's too hot for too long, I prefer mild weather. Not too hot, not too cold. Just comfortable.
That's true. I also enjoy tropical weather, warm and a little humid, with a nice ocean breeze.
Speaking of breezes, do you remember last week? It was a breezy day, and it felt so nice to be outside. It was perfect for flying kites.
Oh, yes. And then the air got a little humid, but it reminded me of relaxing summer nights.
I love snowy days. Last week we had a cold snap, and everything looked like a winter wonderland.
And after the ice storm, the trees were covered in ice. It was like a magical glass world.
Wow, it's so freezing cold today. The air feels so fresh and crisp.
Yes, and they said on the news that a blizzard is coming tonight. It will be so beautiful to see the snow falling.
And when it snowed yesterday, we had sleet, which made everything sparkle in the streetlights.
And the wind chill makes it feel even colder. But I love wrapping up in a warm coat and scarf.
Me too. And I don't mind heavy snowfall. It makes everything look so peaceful.
It does. And look outside now. It's a perfect snowy day. Maybe we can go for a walk later.